I've been teaching Kundalini Yoga for a few years. I'm also an engineer and a business owner that work in technology. Kundalini Yoga is designed specifically for people that don't have time for hours and hours to sit in a cave and meditate. Sometimes all you need is about 15 or 20 minutes, 30 minutes a day, and you can achieve a lot. So it's very powerful, and when done well, you can achieve the results really quickly. Full moon is a very powerful time. During the full moon, there is a lot of pressure on the glandular system. The emotions are very elevated. So we use the time of the full moon to use the same amplified energies to channel and meditate and do more work in a smaller time.